How to buy cars in Need for Speed. If you are ready to expand your garage, here's how to buy new cars in Need for Speed right from your iPhone. Let's get started. Open your Need for Speed application. From the main menu, tap onto the garage icon from the top left corner. In here, you can see the various cars that is on the sale. You just have to swipe to different car brands and classes. Each car shows stats and price, either in cash, gold, or blueprints. Tap the car you want. Then you can hit buy, confirm the purchases using in-game cash, gold, or inner blueprints. Once bought, your new ride is instantly added to your garage, ready to race and customize. And that's how you buy car in Need for Speed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.